If I didn't go to YouthBuild today, I would have probably not went to college. I had no plans to go to college before YouthBuild, and I decided to go to college just because of the fact that YouthBuild showed me I could.
I'm the music instructor here at YouthBuild Columbus Community School. Students say, you don't know what we're going through, and I can actually say, yes, I actually do, because I've been in these same seats, sit in these same programs, remember these same four walls. So yeah, I'm a graduate from the YouthBuild Columbus Community School program.
When I was a student here, and I didn't have nobody to help me through my studies, you know, everything is in English and it's not your first language, and that was hard for me. Thanks to YouthBuild, I'm what I am today.
YouthBuild impacted my life because I really didn't have a clear path on what I wanted to do. Once I got here, they got me introduced into the construction field. It gave me a purpose.
When I came to YouthBuild, the staff here were like family. They brought me in. They were able to give me my first chance to be a leader and be a positive person. Led me to take leadership roles on other places in my life.
If you don't know what you want to do, they will help you instruct you in that, find what you like, what you're interested in, and try to lean you towards your, where you're trying to your end goal is.
You will not only make all kinds of friends, but you will feel so grateful in the future that you did, and you will have endless stories to tell and endless memories. So yeah, I would say go to YouthBuild.